Hi, my name is Joanna Reynolds with Pink Cactus Studio, and today we're going to be painting the cute little ghost witch in the forest. You know, she's casting spells and up to no good. I love it. So the paint colors that you're going to need are teal, white, black, brown, orange, red, yellow. Let's get started. I promise I got you every step of the way. Alrighty, so we're going to start with this valley shape about halfway, a little bit lower than halfway, and then you're going to fill in the whole top half with teal, edge to edge, and then you're going to add these like white vertical wispies and let them blend in with the teal. Add more teal if you want them to blend more. Then the bottom is going to get completely covered with black. We're going to start with the trees that are in the front. They're just going to go all the way up to the top edge, and then they sort of fan out down at the bottom. You'll see that later. And then add one to the other side. Then these next row of trees are going to be a little bit higher than the first trees. The bottom of them is going to be a little bit higher. And then the last tree is a little bit higher than that. So it's kind of like this stair step of trees, because the ones that are farther away are higher up on the ground. And then we'll add a little bit of teal to add some highlight to each of these trees. The ones that are on the left get the highlight on the right, and then the ones that are on the right get the highlight on the left. And you can see how they fan out at the bottom here. Now we're going to start the ghost. It's just a really skinny U shape that's upside down, and it sort of flares out at the bottom. I have seen short, fat ghosts. I have seen tall, skinny ghosts. It's up to you what shape ghost you prefer. Down at the bottom, you're just doing a few zigzag lines. In, out, in, out, in, out. Just a few. And we can clean up the bottom of that later. Fill this in with white. Then you're going to add teal to the inside of the zigzag, the up part of the zigzag. It's going to be a little bit thicker at the bottom and thinner as it goes up. And we can lighten this up later if it's too dark. But you're just starting on the inside of the zigzag and bringing that up and letting it sort of fade into the white. We're going to add a little bit of black, just a little bit. Don't worry, you can clean up that later. And just let it blend in with everything. I even like blended it in with my finger there. You can do it however you want. You can add more white to it, and it'll sort of soften it up and blend it out. I'm cleaning up the bottom of the ghost here. It's time for the hat. So the hat is just a triangle, but it's not a straight triangle. You can curve the side of the triangle a little bit. It can bow out just a little bit, just so it's not so perfect. And then the brim of the hat, and you just want to round off the ends of that, fill that in. Then you can add a little bit of a white highlight to the top of the brim and even the side of the hat, a little highlight there. So when I'm working on small details like that, I rest my palm on the canvas so that I can have a little more control over my brush. Then we add some more white in there, brighten up your ghost a little bit, clean up any of your mess ups. So now it's the leaves' turn, and we're gonna start with brown, and then we'll move to red, and you can start bringing the red up to the top, sort of cluster it in the corners and let it feather out as you work down. Orange is next, and then yellow, and you can put them wherever you want. All right, thanks so much for painting with me. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next painting tutorial. And there you have it. Bye, guys.